Today we will be testing the percentile rank of Bollinger Bands. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the percentile rank of Bollinger Bands. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 925 indicators, with 385 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 108 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the percentile rank of Bollinger Bands. You can see here on the bottom of the screen, the source video claims that this indicator, this Bollinger Band indicator, is 10 times better than the normal Bollinger Band indicator, and of course makes, high claims about how accurate it is and how much better it is of an indicator. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test. And so the indicator here, I did go in and make a modification. And so I turned off this standard deviation percent right here. And I went in on the relative height and I changed the thickness. I bumped it up 1 on this one and 1 on this one. And it gives us what we see here on screen. And so what we are looking for is going to be the cross of the blue line of the green and red line. And so when the blue line crosses down below the green and red line, I believe, let's see, so when the relative height line crosses down below the Bollinger Band percentile line, that's going to be a signal to go short. When the what was it called again? The relative height crosses above the Bollinger Band percentile line, that's going to be a signal to go long. And so that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we get is a long signal. You can see that the height line here crosses up above the percentile line there. And you can see that we get a decent little move to the upside there, which got us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a short signal. We get the height line here that crosses down below the percentile line there. We get a little bit of a push to the downside here, but it pretty much stops out pretty quickly and reverses right back to the upside. It's going to stop us out. Then we are going to pick up a long signal right here on this one. I don't think we have played it out enough to see Nope, not quite yet. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little more. And it looks like, unfortunately, that one's going to get stopped out as we spike to the downside for a short right here on this one. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's scroll back a little bit, give us a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time, so we like that. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winning trades. So that's barely going to miss that 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so definitely not better than the original Bollinger Bands, I guess I would say. It did all right. I mean, all things considered, with it being 21 trades, the win rate wasn't too horrible, but it definitely, like I said, wasn't the greatest indicator. I'd say the most challenging part was just when it ran into consolidation. Like normal, we run into consolidation and it creates this whipsaw action. Seen it many times before. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.